And then what I thought would be cute is I actually kind of hang some buoys down. So we can do like a little piece of rope. So just kind of hang them down a little bit.
What do hanging buoys look like?
Well, there's different kinds. There's the ones that are just almost like round. They're almost like donuts.
Mm.
That kind. Those are, well, those are more like for, I think, the hold up lobster, like netting and stuff. Okay, so I was thinking of doing a ball and then kind of roll it this way. So you could do it just like this. There's some that look like that.
Right.
That have the hole in the top and the bottom. Especially since it's kind of stuck on there now.
Yeah,
so
there it is.
now we're getting around that.
It's like magnetic. Zoot.
Actually kind of put that in there. That'll look better. So it's just like a little piece coming from here. Okay, so the next tier there, I'm going to do, I've got some little pieces here. Okay, I use these First Impressions molds. I'm not going to use the big one right now, just for these little couple of anchors. So I put the fondant in there. You can see how small they are. And then I pop them in the freezer until they were completely solid to get them out, or you're never going to be able to get them out. And still on one or two of these little ones, these ship's wheels, I broke the little pieces, but I can add those. The anchor, I'll just kind of save that for later.
All right.
Okay, so I want to do on the next here just some dark blue background. Stand up, and I've got some round circle cutters. So it's almost going to be like little portholes with the little things inside. So, cornstarch. Okay, so I'm going to do this size. You could do whatever size you want, just whatever looks good with the pieces that you're using, with the size of the cake you have.
So
I was deciding if I want one in the middle or like two.
These are like portholes?
Because this is the middle. Kind of. I mean, they're not really, but kind of reminds me of it. Okay, so I think what I'm going to do is one in the front, one in the back, and then two more. Ooh. Okay, then what I want to do is attach these little doodads. Let's take a little bit of water. Our little shot glasses. So put a little water behind them. Put the anchor in the front. Ship's wheel either side, since we have more of those. Again, these are First Impressions molds. Super cute, aren't they? Perfect size for this. Perfect. Okay, so the rope's going to go around the outside of each of those. So I find it easier to hook it over the top and let it rest on that and then bring it down.
Now that's cute.
And then I can go ahead and use my cutter and then bring it back in.
And it sticks to the...
I put water on it first,
just water.
but I put it on the outside of the blue
Gotcha.
porthole.